name is Frank Boston. Today we're going to be doing a chicken marinade. What you need is this type of egg, no other eggs. You also need sun-kissed orange, very good kind, about 10 centimeters in diameter. You need the premium soy sauce from Lee Kam-ki. He's a very good guy, he knows what to do with it. You also need a very good blender. This one's about 5 years old. Which is the yellow box honey. This is the only honey in the world that you can get to use it. Last but not least, you need Himalayan pink rock salt. You can't get any other salt with this. This is the only good stuff that you can get. You need about this much. I'd say about 10 grams. Let's get started. Starting with the soy sauce side. So, I'm grab the blender. Takes a little. Now, what you want to do, open the lid, of course. Don't want to put much of this in because this stuff is very strong. So about yeah, I'd say about this much at the most. Maybe a bit more. This stuff's very good for you, so yeah, I'd say about this much. Now we want to do the honey. So get this good stuff honey. Squeeze it. Okay, bit more texture. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to the Himalayan pink rock salt. You only need pink, no blue, just pink. So take off the lid. Good stuff. You want to do about 4 cracks. Don't need to do any more. Okay, now you gotta put in the orange and the egg. Well, first thing, you wanna put the orange in first. Leave the sticker on, leave the skin on. Just plop that in there. And then you get the egg. We'll just put the egg in. Leave the shell on for texture. And then we put the lid on. And that's what it should look like before you blend it. Okay, now it's all in. So you just wanna press on. You want to blend it fully up. Okay, take 2. Blend it for 10 seconds again. Alright, yeah, as you can see, it's been blended pretty good. We're just going to do a bit more, so... I reckon that's good enough, yes. So there you have it. The marinating sauce is done.
Hey guys, my name's Alex Dinner, and today we'll be doing my chicken rules. Duh! Okay, so first of all, we need a knife, a chopping board, a legless chicken, some flour, whatever this is, and a hammer, 2 eggs, and if you're into that stuff, some Tabasco. Here we go. So, first of all, we need to get our quail and cut this open, just like this. Yeah, and we get into that chicken. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we grab the hammer, we bash the chicken up. Just bash up, just bash it up. Lion, chicken. Okay, now what we do is we want to do our batter. So to do batter, we need eggs. We've got 2 eggs here. We need our chicken and we need our flour. First of all, we put our egg and we crush it. Our second egg. crush that. Now we put our flour on. And we mix it around. Okay, we keep the eggshells for protein and texture. And yum. Okay, now for the Tabascan sauce, we cut. Okay, now we've got our Tabascan sauce and we put some of that on there. Yep, looking good. Okay, now on to the marinade. So we got, yeah, can't necessarily call it marinade, so we just put some over that. Oh yeah, get it all in there, all over. Okay, let's go see what the judges think. So what are your expectations for today?
Well, since I know that Frank and Alex are cooking, they're not very high.
What are your expectations for today?
Well, I'm not really sure what to expect.
So for today's meal, we've got chicken with chicken marinade. Hope you enjoy.
It stinks.
You what, mate?
Get this disgrace out of my face.
So for today's meal, we've got chicken with chicken marinade. Hope you enjoy.
That looks fabulous. I love what you did with the eggshells there.
Wow, thank you. You want some?
I think I'll have to pass, thank you.
But take it. Just fresh it. Eat it. Potatoes, like, comment, subscribe. This is our meal. Eat it. And go plant yourselves.